Here at H&H, we raise Chinese ringneck pheasants. I believe it's the only state bird that you can hunt and eat. I'm the 5th generation here on the homestead. We've been here since 1909. We do sell a lot of birds. This year we are raising about 15,000 game birds, and we hatched over 30,000 roosters this year. Propane gives us peace of mind that we know that we're not relying on so many other people or businesses to keep us running. We primarily sell to private hunting lodges, and we also sell birds to the game fishing parks for repopulating reasons. Try to keep the name up for South Dakota being the best place to go pheasant hunting. So here at H&H, our main uses for propane are heating water for washing eggs, cleaning, which we do a lot of. Also our boiler. It pumps water through these tubes, which are underneath of the concrete floor, radiates heat up through the floor, and that's our main heat source for our whole barn. So our weather kind of swings from 100 degrees in the summertime down to 30 below zero in the wintertime. So the reason we went with propane opposed to natural gas or electric was we really don't have an option to go with natural gas. If we went with electric and we had a disaster or a scenario where the power had gone out, it would take a humongous generator to be able to keep up with our barn. It's going to benefit me a lot by being able to radiate that heat if something goes wrong for several hours, opposed to electric where if something goes wrong, you look at extreme amounts of fatalities in your birds. As far as environmentally friendly, I think propane is probably the best. You know, we can't use any sort of gas or diesel in our barn because we can't have the smoke and smog and soot in our barn. It would be nearly impossible to try to keep the birds alive. The way that we take care of our chicks, I would say that pheasants are a little more delicate. I think the reliability of propane heat is a big bonus to my operation because it's safer. I know it is way more cost-effective and efficient, environmentally friendly, prevents disasters. I always know that as long as I check the tank and keep propane in the tank that I'm going to have efficient fuel for whatever I need to do.